Hi all friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can send location in Facebook Messenger. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video and also put your likes. So, let's get down to our topic. First, you will need to open the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. Next, go to the dialog. And now you'll need to click on the plus sign at the bottom on the left-hand side. Next, you'll see this location sign in the center here. Click on it. And then you'll be able to send your location immediately if you have location access turned on. As you can see, I have it disabled, so I need to activate it first. So, to do that, you'll need to click here and then go to Settings. You'll be immediately taken to your phone settings, where you'll need to go to Location. And as you can see, I have it enabled to never show my location in Messenger. If you also have this feature enabled when you need to toggle it, either always show location or only when you're using the app. I usually take this option. Once you've done that, you can exit the settings, go back to Facebook Messenger. And as you can see, I've now got my geolocation. And if I click Send, how I send my geolocation to my location. But you can also send it to any other location, for example by clicking on the plus sign. You get to the location, and you can, like, zoom in on your map, move it somewhere, pick any location you want. It's like this. Next, you also need to send a location. And as you can see, I sent 2 locations this way. That is, 2 locations, my location and some other location, for example, that I would like to show where it is. And the person, when they get the message, they just open and go straight to the maps. Friends, this is the simple way you can send your location to Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments and see you soon.